Welcome back to the Kaspa Silver YouTube channel. If you guys are new around here, consider leaving a like on the video after watching it and also subscribing to the channel. We are putting a video out every single day for you guys except for Sundays, keeping it real for you and giving serious education and opinion on Kaspa. In today's video, I want to talk about price action. I also want to talk about the recent Uphold delay listing for Kaspa. And then I want to give my thoughts about the Tangem wallet after having it for about a week, and really just want to relay my concerns with it and why I'm probably not fully trusting it just yet. So without further ado, let's get into that price action. So first of all, Kaspa has been consolidating at this 3 cent area from 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 all the way to like 2.8 is the low in this new consolidation zone that we've been in now. We kind of just shot up over here once we got the Uphold announcement, and we're just consolidating back and forth a little bit over here. And then if we look also at the top addresses, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but in the whale section, I think we added about two or three more. Yeah, we had 168 over here just 2 days ago. And now we have 171. So there are people that have gotten in and have now at least 10 to 100 million Kaspa. So this is really bullish. What I'm seeing is that people are just really holding on to this coin. All right, now let's go into the recent Kaspa being delayed on Uphold. As you can see here, it says we made the difficult decision to postpone this listing due to technical issues. Our customers deserve a smooth and fair trading experience, and we're excited to list CAS as soon as we can ensure this. Now, I really respect Uphold for this, and after they actually had an AMA with Jonathan, and they explained the reasoning behind the delayed listing, which in my opinion, I think is super bullish. I'm actually going to put that recording for you guys right here, and let's go ahead and take a listen to that real quick so you guys can know exactly why this happened.
Change. So all your people commenting on Twitter what we are doing and why we can't immediately go live is because you all think we're an exchange. We are not. We don't have an order book. We don't hold tokens and buy and sell them, and we don't have bots on the platform. If you look at Qcoin or MEXC, you can do a lot on these exchanges. You can do leverage trading. We don't do that, right? We don't want you to lose all your money in one go. And we also don't want to cause disruptions in the price action. So we don't want to have a situation where when we list something, it goes up fourfold and then drops again. This kind of thing is what we would try to avoid. We want to be a more responsible, more solid platform for more serious, as my boss likes to say, serious crypto for serious people. So we watched our technical team, our trading team watched Kaspa over the last weeks as we prepared for all migration, and all things were with a green light. And then what happened is that there is now, at this exact day, in the last few days, not enough liquidity, I think, or we need to technically solve that problem before we can immediately go live anywhere in the world. We don't want to do it at the same time. We don't want to cause some erratic price movements. And we want to make sure that if you trade on Uphold, you get a fair price. And if you put in a market order, you don't get a ridiculous price, 10% over over the market price, right? That's the reason why we pulled the plug. What we will do now is observe exactly. I mean, it looks like nobody's selling anything. So there is a liquidity problem that will solve itself as it will be listed by more exchanges. That will solve itself as people pay more attention to the token, as there's more liquidity in general. Then we maybe we were a bit too early, but I like being early on things.
All right, so there you have it. I don't know about you guys, but that sounded super bullish to me. What stood out to me is the fact that he mentioned that there's a selling problem, that people aren't really selling, which is hilarious because Kaspa is like one of those coins that for the first time I'm seeing like tons of whales literally holding on to a huge profit that they could just take. There's some people that are like millionaire status almost. They could just take that profit finally. They've been holding from the beginning, but they're not because they understand their investment. They understand what Kaspa is here to do. So right now there's a liquidity issue because people aren't really selling. So later in this audio here, he does mention that this should take either hours or days, but it's not going to take a month for this delay. Now, he did also say that he's waiting for other exchanges to be listed with CAS, and then that should solve itself. So we do have a couple more exchanges coming out this week. Comes to mind on the tomorrow we have an exchange. I think it's with BitGet, and I think that's going to help out what he's talking about there. So probably I would say the latest, maybe we could see a listing next week on Monday, or maybe even this weekend out of nowhere. I don't know. It seems to me that they don't want to give a specific time frame, which is good because, you know, people being let down, people get upset for being let down, and then they try to spread FUD and be like, oh, it's a bad thing. Well, this is actually a bullish reason why they didn't list it. And I did also want to add in there that part where he says that Uphold is not a crypto exchange. That's why you're not able to see it on CoinMarketCap if you're looking for exchanges. They're not a typical crypto exchange. They're a multi-asset exchange because they give gold, silver, and they sell other currencies and stuff like that. So they also do say that they're trying to sell serious crypto, and I respect that a little bit, but you know, they still sell crypto like Shiba Inu, and that's not really a serious crypto. That's a crypto for people who want to kind of gamble their money and hope for it to just go up in the short term. But either way, last topic I want to talk about is the Tangem wallet, and just kind of give you my thoughts after using it for about a week. So I do like it a lot. It's a really cool idea, really cool concept. I think I'm just having a problem with the concept of not having my keys like physically seen. Like I can't see those words. And I think for me, that's just, I don't know. Right now, it's a big problem because at the moment, you have some risk, some liability here. So if this app was to go away on my phone for some strange reason, and you know, people can just do certain things on your phones nowadays, hack your phone, I don't know. But if there was ever a time where it comes where, hey, they just remove this app from my phone, like government wise or something like that, I need to find another app or something that supports my NFC card. And that's the only way I can get into my wallet again, is if I find something that supports my card, rather than if it's just words, then it's a lot better. Now, I do want to make the mention that right now I'm holding all my Kaspa on the iOS beta Caspian wallet, and it's kind of like the same situation. That's the only wallet that I can get Kaspa with 24 words, because all the other wallets on their website only offer 12 words. So I'm kind of like in the same situation, but I like the fact that I see my words and now it's much easier to create some kind of app that lets you have 24 words or 12 words than an app that lets you use that NFC card. So to me, it's just a little bit of a risk. I feel like I know Tangem's really, really good. They've been around from 2017. I trust in their security of the card and all that stuff, but it's just that liability, that the fact that I don't see those words is kind of concerning to me. So I haven't fully put my trust in it. I know I made a video because I know a lot of guys did. You guys get it. But of course, I'm going to keep it real with you guys and give you my thoughts. And currently, I'm holding no Kaspa on the Tangem wallet. I just want to build more trust, kind of sit with it maybe for a couple more months or something like that before I try to gain some trust, more trust with it. But right now, I'm holding all my Kaspa in the Caspian iOS beta wallet, and I'm securing my 24-word C phrase, which is super, super important to do. Do not hold your Kaspa on exchanges. I've been seeing this way too much online. People just showing off their accounts on, and it's like 1 million Kaspa on an exchange. And it's like, you guys don't understand that that's such a risk. You can lose all your Kaspa, and especially in this early time, you do not want to be losing your Kaspa at this time. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this other news update. If you guys like these videos, please leave a like down below. Also, leave comments down below telling me what you guys want to see in future videos. Ask any questions you have about Kaspa. I'm trying to put out as much content as I can for you guys so that you guys can be educated and understand this investment that we're both in together. So if you guys enjoyed all that, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.